Yoga power. Yoga can make you do anything you want in your life. Anything, believe me or not. You might not understand today. I have to ask this question. A lot of you have a negative mental attitude in your past experience in life. You went through shit. Did you get my point?
Yes.
How to get rid of it. How to get out of deep shit. That's why you need Bikram. So you can tell me personally, I have this problem. That's why my marriage didn't work. That's why my business didn't work. That's why my family didn't work. So I can help you individually also if you want, in 5 seconds. No problem. Because I see what is right, what is wrong. You have a Rolls-Royce car, you have a Bentley key. It doesn't go inside even in the hole. So you put the thing in the wrong hole all the time. You have a bad habit. And you don't know, nobody correct you. Why people come to yoga? They have a physical problem, mental problem, spiritual problem, financial problem, sexual problem, friendship problem, problem after problem after problem. Ask me why. Negative mental attitude 9 times more powerful than positive mental attitude. I proved it already. It took lifetime to research this subject. Did you get the point? Negative mental attitude 9 times more powerful than positive mental attitude. But I know how to keep you away from negative mental attitude. If you cannot speak the truth, perfectly okay. Don't speak, but don't lie. Got it? Out of 10 words, 9 words you tell lies to everybody. First thing you said in the morning, good morning, that's the first lie. Then second one, I love you honey, number 2 lie. Whole day you lie and lie and lie. Why? Because you are not using your brain, you are using your subconscious brain. Subconscious mind, where no room for spirit. Is a tough subject, difficult subject. But as long as you do yoga, automatically you come out of that plot. Is that a good word? Come out. Yoga helps you to get out. Why you think you get divorced? Because you have always expectation. You understand that? And no matter what you get, you are not happy according to your expectation. But you have to learn, you're born to give, not to get. You will be always happy. End of the day, you will be a winner. You're born to give, not to get. End of the day, you have everything in your life. But if you expect and expect and expect, no matter what you get Taj Mahal, still you don't like it. Because you are not qualified to appreciate the good thing. So from morning to evening, whole day, whole night, you lie and lie and lie. Now guess, who you lying? Yourself. Upstairs. What is going to go? To the sky? Where is going in a second? On your own face. Why? Because you are dumb fuck. You are idiot. You stupid. But nobody corrected you. Because who want to correct you? They are also same thing. That's why Jesus says, a blind cannot lead another blind. You heard that before? I can make your life gold mine, like piece of cake. Just take you out and put you at the right place. Think, it's so easy, believe me or not. Unnecessary, you destroy your life.